I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is Life After Weight Loss.
Good morning. How you doing? I got a little bit of a wet head going today. It's day 2, so I spray it with water, and then I've got this stuff called Refreshing Curl. It's one of those. It's from Walmart. Curl Talk, Not Your Mother's is the brand, and then it's called Curl Talk. Anyway, it's called a curl refreshing foam. And hi. A little squirreled out, ain't I? Anyway, so I put that on, and it'll dry. I just kind of fluffs up my curls after being up all night. Like, up in a thing all night. What do I know? Well, I don't know. Callie was hacking this morning. I thought she's caught the bordetella. No, kennel cough. I'm so silly. I thought she caught the kennel cough, but nope. She had something stuck in her throat. She's hacking and hacking. And I was like, oh my goodness, my baby, I don't want her to die right here and now when I need to go to work, and I don't want her to hack to death, but no, she's good. I got a chair back in there I have to dispose of. It was Mom had it, and she's like, honey, I don't know how to get rid of this. I'm like, I do, I'll take care of it. Yeah, so that's what I know. Yesterday was a good day with my mama, and today, I'll show you while it's frozen. This is how I'm doing my lunch today. Is it ideal? I don't know. Am I gonna do it? Yeah. So brought a bag of veggies. They're called Fusion Asian Mix. It does have sesame sauce, soy sauce. So I didn't. I think I knew it, but didn't pay close attention. But it's 0 added sugar, so I'm okay with 1 total added sugar. So, but it's anyway. So what I'll do is it says it's about 3 servings. But what I like about these veggies, what I've been seeing, is they have the amount of 1 serving, and then if you eat the whole bag. And I like that. They need to do that with those big old family-sized bags of Doritos. But anyway, so, yeah. So my plan is this will defrost some by the time lunch comes. And so I'll cook it in the microwave at work. And then I have my, burger. I think it's just I think it's ground beef. Ooh, dang, that'll be good. Yeah, it's just ground up beef instead of like a patty. So what I'll do is I'll microwave the bag, and then microwave my bowl, and then I'll dump my bowl in the bag, and I'll just eat out of the bag. That's gonna be good, baby. I'll see how I do it. There's bowls at work. I might just wipe a bowl, but I think I have a big spoon at work. That's gonna be good. Oh boy. I keep toilet paper at work. So inside I've got a baggie that I'm taking a bag. It's got 3 rolls of toilet paper. Cause if I have to have a movement, they got that John Wayne toilet paper, tough as nails and doesn't take poop off nobody. Yeah. So I'll use that toilet paper for the first, I don't know, however long I do it, till my backside gets sore, and then I switch over to mine. But I take it with me if I have to go. I know, TMI. I'm a nurse. There ain't no such thing as TMI. So, yeah, if you're a delicate flower, this probably won't be the right channel for you. But I got to get a move on. I love y'all, and I'll see you at lunchtime. I'm sure full of myself today, ain't I? I'm full of piss and vinegar. Oh, bye. Let me just tell you how mean some of my staff are. So it's cold in that building. So look. I have leg warmers. You see them? Can't tell if you can see them. Yeah, you can see them. Anyway, I got them on. I did have sleeve warmers earlier, but right now, just the leg warmers. I walked in there to tell her something. She said, I can't even take you serious right now. And I said, what a feeling I am driven now is believing. You just come on now like you're dancing through your life. Flash dance. She said, get out. So this is how my lunch looks. I'm super excited. I need to bring a bowl to work from like home too. Anyway, hang on. Let me aim you down so you can see it. That is my 3rd pound of ground beef. With that, I microwaved the Asian fusion to, till it was almost warm enough. Put it in this bowl and then added my ground beef. Don't that look good? It look good, 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 Maynard. So now let's see what it tastes like though. It could be warmer, but that's good. I approve. I approve so much I spit. Anyway, so I'm going to go eat. We'll catch up later. It's hotter than Cooter Brown out here. Whew, Nelly. Oh, my Lord. I come outside. It's 71 inside. And it's, I hate, anyway, it says it's 90, I think somebody says like 90 something, like mid 90s or something like that. But then the index is 100 and I thought they said 105. We have a heat warning, a severe heat warning. I don't know, heat something. But we're going across the street because I'm cold. I've been drinking coffee. I had on, y'all, I showed you my leg warmers earlier. They're off now because I'm warming up drinking that coffee. Usually in the afternoons, it starts warming up a little bit. We'll see what we do. I didn't bring out my little Duma flipper. I just sometimes forget. I'm just going across the street. It's funny, I noticed that my arms are a little more tan. Either that or I got a little jaundice. I'm not really sure what it is. But anyway, so are y'all having a good day? It's my Monday. It's okay. Work is work today. Nothing super exciting. Today it is what it is. Lunch was good. Man, was that good. And I ordered some containers that I'll be able to cook my ground beef in. And you know me, I'm always doing something. So I'll be able to cook my ground beef. And then I'll put them in that, whenever I do, like 3 servings. And I'll put it into 3 containers. Or 2, because I'll be eating one. Anyway. And then what I'll do is I'll just bring the container to work. Cook the veggies like I did today till there's like 2 minutes or so left. And then, okay, we are turned around. And then I'll microwave the ground beef and the veggies together. So it worked today. So I'm excited. And it was good flavors. So I'll just see how that goes. And I'll have to be careful not to buy a bunch of them with sauces because, the sauce is where the extra calories are going to come from and carbs. So I will take a look at those that I have in my freezer. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked. You know me, I go through these phases. I go through phases. I can't help it, but that's what I know. So that's what's on my brain today. But look, we showed up for ourselves. We walked across the street and down a couple street squares, and now we're walking back. And that's what I got to say. I love you people. And yeah, that's all I know. I know it's hotter than Cooter Brown out here. And y'all know he is smoking hot. Although I wouldn't mind just like laying out here in the grass. Doesn't that look so lush and prettyful? Bet you there's a bunch of ticks in there though. Ticks and skeeters. That's my thing. I get so bit by mosquitoes when I come outside. Oh, my stars and garters. So, all right. Love y'all. On my way back in. Bye. My poor nurse, the one who has the convertible, I had a rock. And I wanted it to be big so she would see it and not sit on it. Well, evidently the way I had it sitting, it was pointy. I don't know if she sat on it or what. She said it was pointy. But anyway, so yeah, there was a rock. It was kind of going up like that. But I like leaving her little presents. I left her little daisy chains or whatever, clover chains, whatever they are. So next time I won't leave a rock. I'll leave something a little nicer. Home. It's been a day. That's all I could say. Sometimes work stuff is just work stuff, and I got to keep it at work. But hang on, let me just
Oh, man. How you like them apples? Get you up close. Get you up nose. I need to pluck. Oh, I need to pluck. I was thinking Sunday, I guess it was Saturday night. I was like, oh, I need to pluck Sunday night. And then, which was last night, or Saturday night, I was thinking, I'll pluck tomorrow. Well, I didn't pluck last night because Baxter, and actually Sammy was pacing. He was ready to go into bed. I'm like, buddy, I don't want to go lay down now. But he wanted me to hurry, get in there. And I did, and he laid up there right beside me. He just wanted to scoot up by me. So I didn't pluck, but I've definitely got to pluck tonight. Yeah. So what we're going to have, y'all? Well, we're having my boss, my big old salad. Oh, hang on. My big old salad. Look at that. We've got cabbage. We got rutabaga. We got onions. We have those sun-dried tomatoes. We have regular tomatoes. You know, it's funny. I wanted to try to go carnivore. You know, I went carnivore to kind of quiet the stuff in my head. And it's funny. This is literally what I was eating to maintain my weight loss. I mean, I was literally eating this every day. I was eating a lot more of sauces and stuff, and I really want to try to, at least for now, not get too saucy. But yeah. So it's funny when I think about it. Why I thought I need to go carnivore. Well, I thought I could go carnivore and lose some more weight. You know, I got motivated by all them carnivore videos, and I'm like, girl, why don't, you know, Sherry and I were talking, like, why don't you do what you did when you were doing good? You know, go back to that, which was salads. I had a big old salad. I had that at lunchtime. Salad. Now, I was doing more meat, a bigger portion of meat back then. So I'm doing a smaller portion of meat right now. This is a third of one of my chuck roast steaks that I made this weekend. This is the last one. That particular bite, my mama would have said, it's a chuck roast. It's a chuck roast. And she did. And she's got strong teeth, so it's not even a bad teeth issue. It was just she couldn't make her jaw clench down hard enough to tear through that meat, through that roast meat. Anyway, so yeah. So it's my chuck roll, but it's chuck roast. It's sliced into steaks. And then, I didn't have one last night. I wasn't really in the mood. It's kind of funny, you know, to not be in the mood for this. Kind of weird, but it happens from time to time. But the flavor tonight, this is butterscotch. So for those of you who are new, I have my channels based on playlists. And I have a playlist called Keto Chow. You can see how I make my ice creams every day. That I have every night. But I do the Keto Chow protein powder. And I'm not even been adding any kind of extra thickener in it. Just the Keto Chow protein powder and water. So, because there's enough fat there's fat in my stomach from eating the ground beef. So I don't need to mix fat in here. And I'm just eating it for dessert anyway. Butterscotch. I'm telling you, you are, yeah. But you know what? I know some of y'all said you can't get keto chow where you are because it's crazy expensive. I don't blame you. I mean, I do have a link if somebody wants to try it, but I'm a realist. I know that, you know, buying keto chow, spending $5 for ice cream every single day, that's not the most financially responsible decision for some people. But I'm fortunate that I've been able to work it in my budget. But there's other kind of protein shakes out there, protein powders. So find you one that's, like, because I know I've done the Isopure. I've done the Javvy. So yeah, try it with one of your others. And you don't even have to do it by making Ninja Creamy. If you want a dessert, I'm telling you, get you some protein powder, whatever flavor you like, whatever kind you want, and mix it with some Greek yogurt. And you mix it up, it's like a mousse. It's delicioso. Anyway, I'm going to eat. I'm done talking with you people. I'm hungry.